my shooter game by whatever my name is. Goal. My goal was to make a working shooter game with multiple enemies and power-ups. Build. I needed Unity for running the program and using the pre-made assets. Visual Studios for the code and pixelapp.com for the drawings. Design. The controls of the game are up and down arrows or W and S for like going forward and backwards. Right and left arrow or A and D to rotate, and space to shoot. The goal in the game is to survive the longest with the most kills. The power-ups are activated when you get 10 kills, 25 kills, 50 kills, and 100 kills. And you can click P to hack. Program. I have enemy spawner movement and faces player script, player movement, health, and shooting script, and a game manager. I also used the coding platform Unity for my game. This is one of the codes is really small, so you can't see anything. Problems. It was hard to understand the coding platform Unity without prior experience. It was also hard to troubleshoot some bugs in the code that I made. Solutions. I learned code by observing what my teacher was teaching me, and we both troubleshooted the problems. Rethink. I would add more enemies or shop for different varieties of weapons and bosses that you have to kill. Demo. Don't mind me. So you're just a spine. You can shoot. So there's a 10 kill thingy. There's a 20. I think it's 20. 25 kills, 50, and 100. You just shoot faster, and P is hacking. And then there's two types of enemies. This one shoots at you, and then this one just like rams you.
Okay. Does anyone have any questions for him? Yes.
Could you explain to me how your code works and how it makes your enemies and how it the AI of your enemies attacks your player?
So for which one, the one that shoots or the one that just charges?
For the one that shoots.
The one that shoots, there's like this. I think there's a code somewhere in here that makes it shoot, and then as for the taking damage, it's like if it collides with the enemy tag, it would take damage. So then, like if the bullet actually hits it, it would take some damage.
Awesome. Anyone else? Alright, let's give him a round of applause.